1. Stand up for 10 minutes every hour. Sitting too long kills focus and energy. Standing restores blood flow, refreshes your mind, and keeps your body active even during work. 2. Meditate for 5 minutes a day. Close your eyes, breathe deeply, and be still. Even a few minutes of silence can calm your thoughts, reduce stress, and sharpen your focus. 3. Reflect on one win before sleep. Before going to bed, recall one small victory from your day. Celebrating progress builds confidence and trains your mind to focus on growth. 4. Write down your biggest goal daily. Every morning, write your main goal. Repetition programs your brain to believe it's already achievable, and belief fuels action. 5. Limit your sugar intake. Sugar gives quick highs but long crashes. Reducing it stabilizes your mood, improves focus, and increases long-term energy. 6. Step outside for 10 minutes daily. Nature is therapy you don't pay for. Fresh air, sunlight, and silence reset your mind far better than scrolling through your phone. 7. Make your bed every morning. It's your first victory of the day. When you start with order, discipline naturally follows in everything else. 8. Unfollow negativity. Cut out people, pages, and content that drain your energy. Protecting your peace is a form of self-care and strength. 9. Speak affirmations to yourself. Look in the mirror and speak the truth you want to believe. Your words have power. They shape your thoughts, and your thoughts shape your life. 10. Celebrate progress, not perfection. You don't need to be perfect. Focus on being a little better than yesterday. That's how real growth happens. 11. Limit news intake. Most news is noise that steals your peace. Consume just enough to stay informed, not overwhelmed. 12. Eat one more vegetable daily. Don't chase extreme diets. Small, consistent choices, like adding one vegetable, build lasting health. 13. Learn one new word a day. Expanding your vocabulary expands how you think. Each new word opens a new way to express yourself and understand the world. 14. Take 5 deep breaths when overwhelmed. When stress hits, pause and breathe deeply. 5 slow breaths can reset your emotions and bring you back to calm. 15. Set 3 small goals every morning. Write down 3 simple goals you can achieve today. Each small win creates momentum, and momentum builds unstoppable confidence. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out the next video. I'll see you there. This is Ascynce, helping you rise above the ordinary.